Super excited about today's product. It's not a new product, and actually, gosh, we've had this for I think as long as I've been selling, which is over 10 years. So our truffle fudge brownie mix, all right, that is what's in our box today. Woohoo! Love our truffle fudge brownie mix. This mix is now a TS Eat Well item. So TS Eat Well means there's nothing artificial in here. There's like no oils that you won't be happy with or preservatives, and that's what TS Eat Well is all about. And who doesn't love brownies? Well, I'm sure there's a few people out there, but I so love chocolate. And these brownies are they're dark, they're rich, and normally made with let's see, a half a cup of butter, and that's one stick, and 2 eggs. Right? Just blend it up. No mixers needed. Pour that in your baking pan and you are ready to go. All right. So these guys are decadent, and 1 square will be enough for your enjoyment. Or 2 or 3. Who am I kidding? Eat half the pan, right? I am actually baking these right now. And let's see. Keep that in your view or not. Oh, nope. So normally, like I said, a stick of butter. Now, it really makes the brownies moist and oh, I don't like that word, but delicious, right? And but sometimes we want to enjoy and we want to kind of skip that butter. So today I was going to briefly talk about what could you replace the butter with in for your brownies when you're mixing them up, right? So some ideas have been, get this, black beans. Have you ever made brownies with black beans? You can blend up the beans so they're really smooth before you put them in the mix. But that's one option. Some people like to use canned pumpkin, right? That's another option. But today, you know what I used instead? I used 2 bananas. Yep. So I had some ripe bananas, and instead of using the stick of butter, I mashed up the bananas and used those instead. So right now I have these delicious brownies, okay, dark chocolate chips, so delicious, no added ingredients or junk in them. 2 bananas and 2 eggs cooking up in my oven at the moment, and it just smells so delicious. And why am I talking about brownies today, right? It's a Tuesday morning. We're just getting back into the swing of things from the holiday weekend. Well, get this. These brownies are normally $8.99, which is a steal to begin with. I haven't bought brownies in a regular store since I've been selling Tastefully Simple because these brownies are just so good. Add that, so normally $8.99, and that's normally a steal. But today we have a deal of the day, which is really cool. It's only today. Today is February 20th, 2018, okay? So this special is while supplies last on my website, okay? And I will put that in the notes or in the comment section of this video. So today, 2/20/18 on my website, 30% off the brownies today. You can get as many as you want. Oh my God. So $6.29, I believe, is what 30% comes off to be. Super excited. I stocked up. As soon as I could order, my order went in. So really love our truffle fudge brownies. Like when at this deal, when your kids say, Mom, I need that, I need something to bring in, to celebrate with my friends at school, or going to a friend's house, or maybe you're going to go visit some family. You want those brownies on hand. And remember, they're 30% off, and that special ends today. And you don't have to make them just as the box says. You want to replace that butter, like I mentioned, bananas, canned pumpkin, or the black bean option. We have some of those ideas on my website because the website always has quick and fun, easy additions to using our mixes with Tastefully Simple. So you can just check over there under the recipes section. And we also have a few additional ways to use this mix, some super fun ideas, and I can't wait to grab a slice of the brownies after I have lunch today. So thanks for being here. That's what's in my box today, truffle fudge brownies. 30% off today. They're a steal, whether you get them today at the 30% off or you get them any other day. Our truffle fudge brownies are ones not to be mixed. So thanks for joining me today. And we are going to end this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.